Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. 1972 Chevy Nova 350 automatic trans, upgraded headers, aluminum intake, MSD ignition, dual exhaust, power brakes, power steering. Nice driver quality car, drives out wonderful. Just got done driving it. Handles, brakes great, shifts wonderful, sounds good. It's got an upgraded sound system, sitting on American racing wheels, 17-inch. It's got a great stance to it, body straight. Nice car, nice daily driver. Let me get down. Paint's got a great shine to it, but it's driver quality paint. Let me get off it a little bit. Really runs out strong. All right, let's get up and personal with it so you know exactly what you're getting. Front chrome bumpers in good shape. All your grills and lights are okay. Lights, turn signals working, wipers working. Hood lines up good. Paint is deep. Front fender, good shape. All the way down, lines up well. Quarter to the door, lines up well. All your glass on the car is in good shape, all your chrome around there. It's got those vent windows. Rear quarter's in good shape. Couple little spots here have been touched up. A little bit in here. Rear glass and chrome is in good shape. Trunk lines up very good. Your bumper is very good. All your badging and lights are working. Rear quarter, passenger side's good. It's got its tiny little, well, that could be buffed out. Little scratches here in there. Hi everybody, you can see me. Passenger glass is good, sport mirror. Little chips and bumps. Passenger door and quarter line up good. All the way down on the bottom the way it should. Fender to door is good. Couple little marks in here. Like I said, driver quality, but just nice. There was one spot I saw on the roof, I'll show you. It's right in here. You step off it, you can't see it, but I see it. All your moldings are good. Weather stripping, good. Door panel. Back seat's in good shape. Got a few ripples in the headliner. Sun visors are intact. Front seat's good. All your carpet's good. Tilt steering wheel. Shows 19,200 222 miles. Nice upgraded gauges. Looks like your fuel gauge is not working and your heater is in op. Dash pad is great. Rear shifter. Good shape. Upgraded radio. Check out the other door. Nice and clean underneath. Nice car. Let's check out the trunk. Trunk's real clean. All your weather stripping is in good shape. Trunk's really clean. Well done. All right, let's fire this baby up. Couple pumps. All your gauges are working. Except the fuel. Good shape. American racing wheels, 17-inch. Your belts and hoses are in good shape, real clean inside. Give it a little bit more gas. Sounds good. So if you're looking to do some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, 10% down, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com, find the car, hit apply now. We'll go up to 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Approvals within 24 hours. 84 months, good rates. We have over 120 cars in inventory ready for immediate delivery. We have shipping insured and bonded throughout the United States, open and enclosed. Please call me or text me your zip code at 773-600-0919. I'll get you a quote. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. And you could reach me by getting an appointment, or if you have any questions on our cars, it's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at mgmclassiccars.com. And we'll be seeing you soon. Thanks.